that's not as hard now because we've already been over some of it, right? The big thing is we don't have much of a big toe here. So there's our first little piggy, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Our pinky piggy, all right? And that's gonna help to orientate us as we go. Again, the ankle, tarsus, body of the foot, metatarsus, phalanges. We start counting from the big toe side over, from the hallux side over. So even though there's not much of it, first metatarsal, second, third, fourth, fifth. And again, the reason for that is so we can understand the evolution of digits, when digits are being lost and all that. Like when we think about a horse, for example. A horse only runs on one toe. What digit is that? It's not number one. You'd think it is, but evolutionarily it came from the middle toe. So it's actually number 3, even though there's not a 1, 2, 4, or 5. But that allows us to understand the evolution of the foot. So that's why we do it that way. And there's some controversies in evolution that have resulted because of that. Let's get to the ankle. We got this big bone here. When you feel your heel, this is what you're feeling. This is the calcaneus. The tendon that the calf muscles attach to your ankle by is called Achilles tendon, right? It's also known as the calcaneal tendon. All right. Then we have this dome-shaped bone on top here. This is the talus. The tibia articulates with this like so. Actually, it's not quite like so because I got 2 mismatches. But when you raise and lower your foot like you're stepping on a gas pedal, TT, tibia talus. All right, now, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Our next bone, when we look at it, looks like a crescent-shaped ship. I'm sorry, a Viking longship. There's the dragon head prow, and there's the rest of the ship. That's called navicular, which means ship. Supporting the first, second, and third toes are little bones called cuneiform. Now, cuneiform writing was the writing of the ancient Babylonians. They wrote on little clay tablets that looked like these bones that they transported by ship as they were doing all of their transactions along the Mediterranean. And so, boat supporting our 3 cuneiforms. Under our first toe is the first cuneiform. Under the second toe, second cuneiform. Under the third toe, shockingly, third cuneiform. But remember, your big toe is along your midline, isn't it? So another name that could be used for the first cuneiform is medial, second is intermediate, and third would be lateral. Then our last bone here looks like a cuneiform, but supporting 2 toes, not 1. So it's like a cuneiform on steroids. So cuboid. All right, so let me do these one more time, and let's see if you have any questions. Calcaneus, talus, boat-shaped navicular, first, second, third cuneiform, cuboid. And after that, everything gets pretty simple. So our mud puppy here